Exciting times we're living in. The Jordan 11 Gratitude, or a twist on the defining moments pack, as some like to call it. Let's bust these open. I know we had a little quick preview on feet already. Have a lot of names of different countries or just greetings, because there's gracias and just all kinds of stuff on the wax paper. But let's look at the shoe. The hold off until we get Concords again, because the last Concord release I believe was 2018, and the reason I held off a few months on buying these is I was like, I know we're going to get Concords in the next 2 years or so. I know we will. It's been 6 years of the recording of this. It's coming. It's the most popular Jordan. They sell out. It's Hypebeast Central. That's never going to change with the Concord. So I was like, but if it's going to be 2 or 3 more years, these will work for the time being. So we have the milky bottom that shouldn't yellow the same. So if you like how it looks like this, it's going to be pretty similar to this. It'll brown a little bit more, but it'll be relatively similar versus the clear icy sole yellowing over time. So it kind of works, you know, herringbone traction pods, carbon fiber shank plate. As we move up, injected Phylon midsole, full-length air unit, patent leather going all the way around. The most iconic toe-down view of all time, because the toe-down view is the money shot for us as the people wearing the shoe. People are going to see this and this and this and stuff like that, but as the wearer, we see this when we look down. The toe-down view is the money shot for a sneakerhead. That is one of the greatest money shots of all time. It just is. And this is actually a pretty soft tongue. I don't think it's going to be a noisy. Maybe it will be. It might have that kind of farting sound when you move. I don't know. I haven't put them on feet yet. We'll see. I haven't shot any on foot footage as of yet, but has the gold Jumpman hit right there. Instead of the nylon, we have a nice, I'm sure that's a synthetic leather. It's tumbled and textured. And instead of the nylon straps, we have this synthetic leather. It definitely looks like synthetic based on the cut and the grain that I'm seeing. It's very synthetic. That's okay. It's the modern day. I fully anticipate not getting genuine leather too often these days. When it comes to Jordan brand releases, something that makes me very sad is they stopped doing the metal tip eyelets for the laces. I don't like it. These seem pretty long. These seem really, really long. I don't like that. No thank you, Jordan brand. What is wrong with you? I go up one more round and you think I need all that to top. What is wrong with them? What are they smoking? Why is that so long? Damn sure can't unlace these. They're gonna be just a little bit hanging out. So I'm probably gonna have to change these laces. That's crazy. That's crazy talk, Jordan brand. What's wrong with you? Anyways, so nice slim line, slender collar because these are higher top. You got the gold Jumpman on each side with the gold 23 printed in the back. Let's see what kind of insole we're working with here. I have a feeling it's gonna be Dream Cell. Who knows? Oh, polyurethane. Hot dog. I can't believe it. Wow. Got a great insole. These are going to be super comfortable. I'm so excited to see that. Let me pull this Nike sticker off. Here we have that same 23 that's on the back of the shoe here on the insole. That is not going to stay there for long, but I am just so surprised we actually have a polyurethane insole here. And again, it's full-length air. You can see the Strobel right in there. Oh yeah, it's a squishy Strobel too. It's kind of foamy and spongy, if you will. And I can feel the air unit when I press down. Man, these are going to be super comfortable. Especially having that polyurethane midsole. Has the thank you in there. Quality basketball product inspired by the greatest player of all time. Man, these are just iconic. A twist on an iconic shoe anyways. It's the in-between of the defining moments package. But kind of a Concord hold off because they're white with black patent leather, right? Look great with jeans, joggers, shorts, whatever. They're great. These go with everything. And on that note, let's finish this thing up with an on foot.